Hi, I am Paul from IT Client Services, and today we are going to review laptop repairs at Bentley. We will go over warranty and non-warranty repairs, data backup, and loaner computers. The IT Help Desk is available to help students, faculty, and staff with hardware repairs on business-class laptops. Vendor Micros Northeast performs the hardware repairs. Examples of hardware repairs include warranty repairs, laptop won't power up on its own, accidental damage, accidental liquid spill, or physical damage to laptop. Devices not eligible for hardware repairs include tablets, Microsoft Surface, Chromebooks, and phones. The Bentley IT Help Desk is located in the basement of the library. Help Desk open hours can be found by going to bentley.edu/IT and clicking on Bentley IT Help Desk on the top right. Back up your data before repairs. It is important to make a backup of all your data before checking in a laptop for repairs. Bentley recommends using Bentley OneDrive for backing up files. Data may be lost during repairs. Bentley is not responsible for any data loss during repairs. If your computer was purchased through Micros Northeast, a loaner laptop will be provided for the duration the computer is checked in for repairs. Personal computers checked in for repair may receive a loaner if available. For today's topic and access to more content, you can get more information by visiting My Bentley at bentley.edu/mybentley and click on Service Now. Enter your Bentley email address and password to access Bentley Support Central. Once logged in, type in the keyword that you would like to learn more about in the search bar, for example, wireless. If you have any further questions, contact the Bentley IT Help Desk by emailing helpdesk@bentley.edu or by calling 781-891-3122.